once this part is done, you can move forward. Before I move forward, I also want to check with you the part you have made. So for example, this one is just 3. And then, for example, this one, you should have 4 M38 millimeter bolt, and here. So make sure it should be really tight. Because especially the corner and this is important, because when you put it together, like build it like this, and then from here to here will be connected like this, and then if this is important, make sure that no other part is kind of play, there is a gap or something like that. That will impact the accuracy. So I'm gonna move it to the side. Then I already prepared this one, the bolt and nut. So this one, like the previous one as well, what you need is M4 10mm bolt and for peanuts. Okay. Like the last one too, it's always good to drill it a little bit. So later when you tighten these T-nuts, it'll be fairly easy to tighten or connect it to the frame. As I mentioned, it is okay not to, but if you don't do that, not to, but like if you don't do that, like you will have a hard time. So I recommend you to do the where is it? Have a drill, like power drill or whatever happens, whatever you have drill it, like make it slightly wider than the hole, because this one I think I did it's for a 4mm, because it's using M4 bolt. I think I said it's slightly wider, but because it's when it's 3D printed, it's sagged a little bit. So it's as I mentioned, it's highly recommended. You know, building your own tool is great, but also you need to pay attention to how you prep it. And in this video, you see me like doing it easily. Yes, as I have experience, I know how to do it, but also before I record the video, I did a little quick test and I did some prep. So make sure, everything is great. Then I move to the recording, but sometimes it's still something happens though, but practice makes everything better. And especially when you make your own tool, you do really need to get ready to deal with some troubleshooting anyway. So all right, next step, I prepared those 3 of the cornerings, and now I need 6. So extrusions, 240mm, 240mm, and as I like the last one too, I use the saw meter to cut them all. Yeah, this is done. If you have kind of saw or power the tool, like feel free to use it. And then like after you do cut it, make sure you can sand it a little bit so it's not gonna be too sharp. So actually I did it. I think, yeah, the saw meter really helps to cut it nicely. I didn't do the best job, but I think I did pretty good. I think I was, although I did it by hand. So just, prepare the, or, like one thing is you can actually get pre-cut aluminum extrusion from different website as well. Like the last one, it's the same thing. You need to put the aluminum extrusion and put the T-nut. For this one, you can use this one for here because the stepper motor is here. But as I mentioned, like make sure if it's T-nut is doing like this, it's not going to really connect it to the frame. As you turn, it should turn to like this. So it's going to be grab the aluminum extrusion. Let's try it again. Actually, yes, actually I made mistake too. Not mistake. I recommend you to do the inside one first, then outside. I'm not sure you can see it. Okay. Yep. Do this one first. And then, yep, no, it's tight right now because I feel it. And then when you tighten this one, yeah, see. Okay. Try to capture it. And then as you turn, yep, did you see? Actually, the T-nut is turned, and then now this one is kind of locked. But I'm not gonna fully tighten this one. I'm gonna just wait until the end. Once I put all three, I'm gonna tighten it. If you just tighten it right now, it may not really regulate, or sometimes it's slightly off. So just tighten it at the end. For now, make sure T-nut is really T-nuts are really holding the frame. Okay. So when it's properly the extrusion, you feel it in your head. That's why I'm putting my hand here as well. Look like it's just it hugs it. Now, yep. Now this time it worked. All right, this is good. Next. And also another tip is like the T-nut, keep it loose. If there's more space, actually it does. It works better. I think. All right, yeah, I'm getting better. And as you do it, you're gonna get better as well. Yep, building your own tool is great, but also it has challenges. But probably one of the best benefit for why you're building your tool is you understand your tool, and especially 3D printers, you know how to fix it. And the next step will be like you know and learn how to customize it. For example, this printer, this one it will be approximately 600 millimeter tall. The print volume will be 260 millimeter tall, and 150 millimeter diameter. So the print volume will like be like a cylinder shape. Oh, that's kind of the small printer size. In my case, based on this open source plan, I built a 5-foot tall design printer, and which print volume is over approximately three something, 3 to 4 feet tall build volume. So like once you know how to make a printer, maybe next time, as I mentioned, you know how to fix it, then later you will customize it, or you know how to actually go beyond fixing the printer. So once you do that, actually you can build, like who knows, later you can build a large printer as well. So I'm just recording this video alone, like it's like approximately 1 a.m. during the residency. I really hope someone will download this build and really make your 3D printer. You can do it. I did it without any background with 3D printing. I took a difficult path, and then I have to like figure things out by making many mistakes. So I hope this video helps you to build your own printer. Actually, as I'm just talking, and this was facing this side, connector facing this side. So because actually I need to think about where I'm gonna put the this one. So probably I'm gonna put it this way. I want everything facing just one direction, but that's okay. Right. I'm gonna just go for it. So don't afraid of making mistake, and or if something happens and you have to deal with some issues while you're building the printer, that's natural and that is okay. As I learned it from a series of trial and error process, I hope to share how to build a printer. Inspires you, or when you need, or when you're ready to try something like this, if this video could, help you to start with something that's kind of fun. So when you're building the printer, be patient. If you don't have to do it in a day. So if you build a little bit, take some break, get back, continue build, that's good. So you don't have to build it in a day or something. Attention. The last one. So as I already put together these two corners, the next one can be a little challenging because previous part I just need to put one But now actually I need to take care of the 2 and 2 here. So the last one will be a little tricky. So I'm gonna try to align it nicely. This one here too. You can do it one by one, but also you can do it like this. And I'm gonna just do it one by one. Oops. Oh, oh. I made it a little too tight. If this feels too tight, maybe you need to unscrew the nut. I'm sorry, bolt. Why I'm keep saying that. A little bit. And as you moving forward, you can tighten all of the bolt. Mm. You can feel it. So when you do it, actually, you can when you tighten, you can feel that it's working. If not, like you really need to check and make sure the frames are kind of the pin are really engaged. Okay, no, I think this one looks good. Also make it slightly loose. This could happen because when I designed I think I mentioned it already, when I designed those corners, make it slightly tight with this one. So when you try to put it together, if you feel a little resistant, that's natural. Just don't push it too hard if it's too stiff, or if you feel too much resistant. Always like loosen the other corners and put the aluminum extrusion and tighten it later. Okay. Start with inside. And this one. The other thing you need to consider is before you tighten it, make sure that I'm gonna just kind of make it flat. Sometimes when you tighten it, it can be like distort the frame a little bit. So since like now this one's good, and I'm gonna check this one too. Yeah, like last one I noticed that there's a slight move, but this one's good. And this is good right now. This one as well. I think this is good. And especially this should be kind of flat like this. Then this is time to tighten all the nuts. Okay. Do this very at the end. If now, like your frame can be distorted. Because I'm recording a video, just I'm doing it alone, and I'm just being just speaking alone right now, but if you do have some movie video or something, yeah, feel free to play it, and that could help you to be relaxed. The design. I noticed that there. Actually, there's a little gap. I saw a little gap here, and actually the T knot is not fully like turned, engaged with the frame. And these are good. The other side. No. No. So it, sure feels like that is peanuts are not fully. Actually, you really need to see from the side to make sure. Now, okay, this is good. The peanut should turn actually. There is so much. With this one, I thought this was good, but it's not. So this, yeah, this is always challenging part. But once you do it right, you don't have to take it apart. So when you do it, make sure everything's right. I think now it's good. All right. Now the next step is this one. Let me see. Hope I have enough space on the table to show you what's going on. Side. Yep, this is 20 by 20 aluminum extrusion. It's and also 600 millimeter long. So it's really fresh, new aluminum extrusion. And we'll put the frame here. Then you will need two of the okay. Maybe I need to adjust overhead camera a little bit. Maybe no. So look at the top. All right, so for this one, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8. Maybe it's just a 10, but anyway. And then some key knots. Okay. Right. So for this one, notch, circle. Then here, can you see inside? You need to put the notch. Last one, keep it loose. So you got your notch here. I'm gonna put good. Once you have so I will show you soon. So this T knot should be parallel like this. If you slightly turn, if you try to slide into aluminum extrusion, it's it won. So it's very tricky. So make sure when you do this, it will be always parallel. Then I'm gonna tighten it, but like the last one, I'm not gonna tighten it too much. I'm gonna just keep it a little loose, and I will continue with the other part. I'm excited. I'm happy. It's getting close to running the printer. Good. Well, okay. I'm doing it slow to make sure everything's right. Also, on this side, there's my laptop, so I don't want to hit my laptop with the aluminum extrusion. Two. Once. Once you get all three like this, next one is we try to slide with this frame. Now it's really tight. And what I'm gonna do is actually I'm gonna just use this one. And now it's time to use it. So this is the top. This one facing the top here. So you need to slide this one into the aluminum extrusion. You see? And oops. This is not right, actually. This one is facing down. Like, can you see? Like this. Once you do this, yeah, you should have like now actually, you might notice that there's a little wiggle and here. I want to tighten it a little bit. There's a little wiggle that is completely. What I'm gonna do next, I don't have to do it right now, but actually when you see here, there's a little M3 bolt, and as you tighten it, it will just give a little extra tension. So when you actually this is good. Actually, I like it smooth. But if you do need extra tension, or if this one doesn't stay on the extrusion, you may need to do that. But for now, I think I'm gonna just hold it. It is okay. And I'm gonna do. If I need to tighten it, I'm gonna do it later. I'm gonna just tighten it. This one, can you see? This one doesn't stay. Actually, now if you wanna tighten it a little bit more, you need to use the wrench. All right. Once you got this, you can put down this one on the other side. Oops, I forgot. This. I forgot to drill this one. Okay, why? I will show you. Okay. And again, like this one is kind of reduce the resistance, so it makes it easy to tighten the bolt and nut. Oh. All right. Let's do it. First folder. And And next, the last one. So as you put it, tighten it. This will be easy. You can actually see from the side the T-notch works. All right. Now the printer is really big, so maybe for the next video I'm gonna adjust the angle. But this is the top. We don't have any wires, but this is the bottom. Yep. Top is here, bottom is here. As the next step, we're gonna put the timing belt, install the end switch, etc. So moving. All right. I'm gonna take some break. Actually, I need to go to sleep. After that, tomorrow morning, I will start putting together the circuit, timing belt, and the switch. And the last one will be the wiring. And then, yeah, that after that, make some test prints.